Gold created yet again new records today, hitting the highs at 36, 22, 23 levels, while silver has also moved towards the last week's and the near-term highs at 41, 40, 41, 50 levels. What to expect now from gold and silver with the US session? Are we looking forward to a further rally here in gold prices? Can we look forward to 36.30 and 36.50 levels, or the highs are done and wait for reversal? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates such that you can profit across Asia, Europe, and US sessions. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the gold on the hourly charts. Earlier in the day, we have seen a retracement towards 20 period, taking the support from 20 period, again showing a bounce here. And now looking forward to a down move here, it appears. See, twin top, inclined top, you can say. It might try to stay in the zone here. The lows here at 35.80 is going to be critical. 35.80, 35 or 60 till 35.80, 35.60. You should not be treating gold as bearish now. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned 35.60, 35.40. Now this is going to be 35.80, 35.60. What will happen even if it respects 35.60? It is going to be in the same bullish channel. It is not yet to be treated bearish as long as now 35.60 levels are not taken. Now what is happening here? See, if you look at the moves here, you can find out the price is trading outside Bollinger Bands. Higher lows and higher highs are seen. Thus now you have to wait for it to trade below 36.08 levels. When it trades below 36.08, expect it to move towards 35.95 first target zone, and if it trades below 35.95, we can expect a further down move here. What to expect next? You can expect 35.84, 35.80 as the next target zone. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI overbought. Things are slightly getting overbought on the smaller time frames. On the 2-hour charts, you can see diminishing bullishness here. 3 candles with is diminishing body size suggested that the bulls are getting slightly exhausted, but this is the zone is what gold needs to trade below. Thus first support at 35.84.80 it needs to trade below, and then to 35.74 should be another support which it has to trade below in order to confirm further bearishness. Moving averages trading with divergence is staying bullish looking upwards. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent, MACD bullish looking upwards. RSI overbought. Things are getting slightly overbought. Hence exercise a bit of caution on the upside. Look at 3-hour charts, rise, retracement, rise here. Second candle with a smaller body size. I'll wait. If it trades below 36.08 and 35.95, 94 levels, more bearishness might follow here. But right now it is not showing any such weakness. It is staying bullish. Stochastic getting overbought, MACD divergent and bullish looking upwards. RSI getting overbought, slight bullish signs it is, but also showing signs of exhaustion here. On the 4-hour, similar observation. If it had to drop, it would have given a symmetrical move here. What it has done, it is just retraced or consolidated and given a breakout. And it is looking upwards right now. If you look at the base it is created at 35.80, this is pretty strong here. Thus till 35.80, at least we have to be cautious here. Also on the 4-hour charts, after consolidation it has given a breakout. I'll wait for the current candle. If at all it starts to erase some of the gains here. If you see the stochastic, this is overbought. The MACD trading with moderate divergence and bullishness. RSI staying overbought again. Coming to daily, look at the daily charts. If you look at the move, straight bullish candles, higher lows and higher highs consistently. Today's move is going to remain critical because this might also confirm a reversal here. If it is a narrowing triangle, possibly a breakout is what you should wait for. But if the body size remains less than this, in fact it can swing and drop here. That is one thing you should keep a note of. It can still take a hit from here, where prices can move towards 35.80, 35.60 zone, and from those levels more bearishness might prevail. But right now it is staying bullish looking upwards. See, the divergence of the price from 20 period is getting higher, which suggests a strong convergence has to follow, but it is not showing any such moves. Why? You can see this is a breakout journey and it requires now a lot much of effort. Maybe the inflation data could be one of the triggers for it to show a pullback. Right now it is not showing such sign. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI overbought. Things are getting overbought here. Considering this, where to buy and where to sell, what should be our strategy? Before I give you the strategy, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, do not miss to join. The next mentorship batch is starting 15th of September. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. If you are willing to just trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. And those looking forward to a trusted partner, which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, where you should buy, I will recommend you to buy. If you see now gold trading beyond 36.2022 zone, expect 36.30 first target, 36.46 the next, and then 36.60 levels here. Beyond this, stay bullish. Possibly, gold is aiming towards 37 ton in the near future, maybe with the inflation data. If it stays above 36.60, possibly we are looking forward to a greater rise. And I am yet again not in favor of such a move. Let's see if it delivers such a breakout move in this week. On the downside, you can sell here at 36.08, expect 3600, 35.94. Below this, expect 35.84, 80. If this is taken, then 35.74. Till here, it has got very good support. Below this, expect 35.60 and then 35.40. If it trades below 35.40, this may call for a reversal here, possibly towards 33.8, 34.80 or lower levels, chances of which appears to be less. Trade accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the early charts. Look at the move as we have discussed earlier in the day. It is staying in the box. It is keeping itself in the box itself. We have to wait for it to trade beyond now 41.40, 41.50 zone. Only this is the zone it has to trade beyond. If it trades beyond 41.40, 41.50, stay bullish. This might head towards 42. Yes, it has consolidated. And now once it delivers a breakout, this is going to be stronger one. On the downside, this is the zone here on the downside, 41, 40, 80 and then 40, 50. Three support levels here on the downside. These are going to play a major role now. Moving averages crossed over, trading with divergence is staying bullish here. Also, if you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. While the MACD is rising after the crossover, it is trading bullish. The RSI is rising as well. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour charts here. Yes, lower highs, flat base. It has to come out of this 40, 50, 40, 40 on the downside is getting very strong. Any drop below this should confirm a stronger down move here. Right now, it is not showing any such bearishness. Also, a breakout beyond 41.50 is also something you should watch out for. Look at the preceding few candles, diminishing bullishness swing here, higher lows so far. Even if it now trades below 41, you can take a sell at 41. Expect 40.80, 40.50 levels as the next target. Stochastic overbought, MACD is just crossing over here, and this is a good sign that possibly it may continue to trade bullish. The RSI is rising. Coming to 3 hour, similar observation on the 3 hour charts, lower highs, flat base, consolidation zone. A breakout should be very strong. Once it trades beyond 41.50, stay bullish. 41.75, 42 is the next milestone which silver would like to achieve. Moving average is bullish here. Stochastic rising. The MACD has retraced and waiting for a crossover. This should lead to further bullishness. RSI rising, which is a supportive sign for the bulls. On the 4-hour chart, now see on the 4-hour charts, it has taken the support from 20 period. And you can see what happens when it takes the support from 20 period. Another rally here, taking the support, another breakout might follow. But I'll say you have to still wait and see what it is aiming at, 42, 42.20 zone. Let's wait. Whenever it does deliver a breakout, this should bring enormous bullishness. On the downside now, 40.80, 40.50, this is the zone you should be careful of. 40.40 also, this is going to be a very good support zone here. As and how it breaches this zone, more bearishness should follow. Stochastic rising, the MACD has retraced, waiting for a crossover, might confirm further bullishness. RSI rising here. Coming to daily, now remember on the daily charts, lower highs are done, higher lows are done. Possibly it may in fact turn red also. It can drop from here, one red, one green. So current candle might turn red here. This is something you should definitely watch out for. And once it trades below 41, take a sell here. 40.80, 40.50 should be there, and below that more bearishness should follow, which could take it towards 40 and 39.8 very soon, if not today. Moving average is bullish, stochastic has dropped, the MACD rising, the RSI is near to overbought zone. Considering this, now what you can do, I will recommend you to buy. If you see it is staying above 41.40, expect 41.60, 41.75, 42. This should be there, and then in fact I will be looking at 42.25. Let's see if it delivers such a breakout. Right now it is looking upwards, but let's watch out. Extra caution need to be taken care as long as 4160 is not taken. On the downside, sell at 41. Expect 4080, 70 as the first target zone, 40 50, 40 as the next. If it trades below this, stay short for 40, then 39.75, then 39.50. Any move below this zone is the only confirmation of a beginning of correction here in silver prices, else it is still staying bullish. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Do watch that as well. Thank you.